What's up, everyone? It's Frat again. I'm actually going to do a little bit of a chat today because I feel like a lot of other people, other than myself, have been getting into this groove with COVID. They go through the phases like, oh, I want to learn how to play like some video game. Like I want to get good at CSGO, or I want to learn about like chemistry. I want to like take a Udemy course on chemistry, and like, oh, just because I'm in this room, I have unlimited options of things that I could do and learn and improve myself. So let's talk about, and by the title of what I'm going to title this video, you're going to think that this is pretty, depressing, and, I'm trying to stop people. And frankly, yes, I am. And I can go into more detail as to why throughout this video. Starting a business or becoming entrepreneurial or having the entrepreneurial spirit or creating something or making a bunch of money doing something crazy and quirky and cool. If you're watching this video and you've clicked on this video, and this piqued your interest, you will never, ever succeed at doing that. And that is not, and like I said, that's not a way for me to, I'm not purposefully trying to deter you or scare you, but like, let's go through the process together. First off, you need to have drive and motivation, which will absolutely never, ever be taught to you in school. Nothing can teach you that except what you have, and it's either you have it or you don't. Pretty much, almost nothing can hit that little mechanism in your brain to make you think, oh, wow, maybe I can actually do this, or wow, I'm going to actually put in the work to do this. Because when it comes down to it, let's say you have a 40-hour-a-week job, standard 40-hour-a-week job. It's hard to maintain any certifications you might have. And you're telling me, or you're telling yourself, that you're going to find the time, the extra 40 hours or 20, 30 hours a week to construct a business plan that makes sense to start a business? And frankly, what research or what market research have you done to know if the business or the product or service you're creating is actually going to amount to something? 9 times to 999,999 out of a million times, it's not going to work. It's not going to be a marketable product that people are going to want. One person, 2 people, your college buddies doing a startup, it will not work. The fact of the matter is, if you really wanted to pursue something like that, you would need to have that drive and ambition, and you would pretty much need to quit your job or basically strike gold. If you think about it, when it comes down to people like a Mark Zuckerberg, for instance, he was that 0.001% chance that he would amount to something, and he just stumbled upon it. He basically just stumbled upon it. And other people came along and said, hey, this is a good idea, we'll throw money at it. Where are you going to get the investors for that, is the second thing. And if you're selling, let's say, books, or you're selling used hardware, where are you going to get it from? You need an in with a distributor. How are you going to get that? You can't just call people on the phone. You need to have a dad or an uncle that knows a guy. Dave Ramsey, for example, who goes out there and gives a bunch of financial information, is literally fucking useless. He's literally fucking useless because the reason and the only way he got into real estate is because his dad had an in. And his dad had an in with the bank for this bank to loan him a fucking shit ton of money. It's not going to work. I'm trying to think about other things because, like I said, I mean, I don't really plan these videos. I kind of just talk about it. You don't have the drive and ambition. You don't have what it takes. And frankly, you need to be pretty savvy, genius, or manipulative to get what you want in this world. 9 times, 999,999 times out of a million, you're not going to be able to do that. So you could sit there and you could waste your time. You could sit there and waste your time thinking, oh, I'm actually going to be something special. You will never amount to anything except a standard job and maybe a condo or a house, and you need to be content with that in this day and age of late stage capitalism where you don't have a lot of opportunities. And they say the opportunities are changing. Yeah, make an app that might be worth something if you do AdSense or make a subscription service. You're not going to amount to anything. You need to start being content with and complicit with what you have. And it's depressing, but these are the facts, because in response to all of these books that are coming out about self-improvement or do these methods, no book is ever going to help you get better and start a business. They're just words on a piece of paper, and when it comes to translating over to actions or whatever your idea is, it won't work. I've tried making, like, t-shirts, do the print t-shirt business. Doesn't work. I've tried drop shipping, where I put money into AdSense or into, Facebook ads. I got this hair that's sticking up for some reason. Nothing. So you need to try 50 million times to be able to succeed. No, some of us don't have the money to do that. Oh, take a loan out and then I'm fucking broke? You should see what my cousin's like. Still living with his parents that are like fucking, I don't know, dying or something, and he's there trying to be like, learn a trading algorithm and figure out the system. When it's been proven through the GameStop freaking dip or the spike that fundamental trading isn't everything. You can't start a business like that either. People have already done it and controlled the fucking industries. All the industries, whether it comes to computer hardware, software, even real estate. Getting into real estate is next to impossible. Most people know someone, or they just have a lot of fucking capital sitting around to be able to get started. Where are you going to get this capital? They're selling a fake dream to all of us. They're selling a fake dream to the middle class, the lower middle class, maybe even the upper middle class through the videos or the American dream. It does not exist. You will not amount to anything, and you need to learn to be content with that. Just enjoy and love the people that you have in your life, whether it be a wife if you're lucky enough at this day and age and they're not crazy. Your parents if they're still alive, any brothers or sisters if they're not dicks. You need to just hold those people close, because it's a pipe dream. Accept it. That's it.